Hello everyone, I am Dr. Athiya Arzu and today my video is on multidisciplinary nature of environmental science. Before going to this, we have to know that why environmental science is known as multidisciplinary in nature. You can see here, multidisciplinary. What do you understand from this? As this term is multidisciplinary, so environmental science is associated with multiple disciplines. As it is associated with multiple disciplines, so it is known as multidisciplinary in nature. What are these multiple disciplines? For example, it is associated with physics, chemistry, biology, IT, and sociology. There are so many disciplines are there. All these disciplines are associated with environmental science, so these are known as multidisciplinary in nature. You can see here different fields which are associated with environmental science. For example, your ecology, biology, chemistry, atmospheric science, oceanography, geology, archaeology, anthropology, sociology, history, political science, engineering, economics, and ethics. All these fields are directly or indirectly associated with environmental science. So, environmental science is known as multidisciplinary in nature. For example, how ecology is associated with environmental science? As we know that ecology is the study of habitat. Okay, study of habitat. A habitat is our surroundings, so it is directly related to environmental science. And you know, biology is directly related to environmental science. How chemistry is related to environmental science? Chemistry, for knowing the air chemistry, water chemistry, and soil chemistry, we have to know about chemistry. And atmospheric science is also directly related to environmental science. Similarly, so many other fields are there which is related to environmental science. Yes, sociology is also related to environmental science as we human beings are living in a society. Cleanliness is our responsibility. Without cleanliness, a person cannot survive a healthy life. So, sociology is also a part of environmental science. Here is some explanation of this multidisciplinary nature of environmental science is there. So the science of environmental studies is a multidisciplinary science because it depends on various disciplines like chemistry, physics, medical sciences, etc. As I have already discussed. It is the science of physical phenomena in the environment. It is inherently a multidisciplinary field that draws upon not only its core scientific areas but also applies knowledge from other non-scientific studies such as economic, law, and social sciences also. How it is associated with each and every discipline, you can see here how it is associated with physics. It is associated with physics to understand the flux of materials and energy interactions and to construct mathematical models of environment. And it is also associated with chemistry to understand the molecular interaction in the system and associated with biology to describe the effects within the plants and animal kingdom and their diversity, associated with atmospheric science to examine the phenomenology of the Earth's gaseous outer layer with emphasis upon interrelation to other systems, and it comprises meteorological studies, greenhouse gas phenomena, airborne contaminants, sound propagation phenomena related to noise pollution, and even light pollution. And some other disciplines like ecology, as I have already discussed, it is associated with ecology to analyze the dynamics among the interrelated set of populations or a population and some aspects of its environment. These studies could endanger species, predator interactions, effects upon populations by environmental contaminants, or it also impacts analysis of proposed land development upon species viability. Similarly, it also associated with environmental chemistry to study the chemical alterations in the environment, and also principal areas of study include soil contamination and water pollution. And the topic of analysis involve chemical degradation in the environment, multi-phase transport of chemicals and chemical effects upon biota. And it is also associated with geosciences. What is geo? Geo means earth sciences. It includes environmental geology, environmental soil science, volcanic phenomenon, the evolution of earth crust, and in some classification systems also it can also embrace hydrology, include oceanography, and it is also associated with mathematics and computer science. It is very interesting how it is associated with mathematics and computer science as it will help in environmental modeling and analysis of environment related data. So it is associated with mathematics and computer science. Also associated with economics as it deals with economical aspects of various components of environment, and it also associated with law that helps in framing of environmental related laws, acts, rules, and their monitoring like your environmental laws like Water Act, Air Act, and Environment Protection Act. Similarly, it is directly affected by social sciences and it is directly related with social sciences as it helps in dealing of population and health related issues. And why do you study environmental sciences? We have to study environmental sciences to create awareness among us, awareness among people, to create a clean and green environment, and to acquire knowledge and to change our attitude to create a clean environment, and to be skilled and to participate in different conferences, seminars, and also know different new activities by which we can create our environment beautifully. This is all about multidisciplinary nature of environmental science. As you can see here, why environmental science is multidisciplinary in nature. I hope all of you clear from this video. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video.